Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. In this short video today, I want to show you that with the ICT Protege GX platform, when you have the time and attendance license, it's fairly easy to add a punch to the system. Let's say some employees entered all together this morning and they forgot to punch at the front door reader or at the punch reader near the punch clock. Basically, you just need to confirm when they arrived, and then you can go in the user properties and add the entry, or if it's at the end of the day, add the exit event so that the attendance report is showing the proper data, okay? For instance, here what we do sometimes is when we're not sure when the person entered, we just look at the camera system with archive, to see when the person entered the building, and then we can modify the punch again in the attendance report, okay? So I'm not going to show how to create attendance reports. There's a pretty neat section in the help menu of GX for that. But basically, if you already have an attendance system, with the Protege GX, I'm going to show you how to add entry or exit events to fix some mistakes or if someone has forgot to punch in or out properly in the attendance system. Okay, so let's have a look at how this is done. So when I'm inside the Protege GX software, under the home page, you want to go to users and users, all right? Let's say I select myself. I want to go to the attendance tab, okay? With this, you can load the last few hundreds of events, all right? And this button here will allow you to add an entry or an exit event. So let's say this morning I forgot to punch in at 8 o'clock, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the entry event type. I select the door I want to use for the punch in event, okay? Click on this, and then you will basically change the time to 8 a.m., okay? Just click OK to save, all right? So if we recap, entry event on the main entrance at 8 o'clock in the morning. I add the event, I get the confirmation message, okay, so we can close this. I could have added an exit event, for the same day, okay? So now if I load events again, you see, and this is very important, we will obviously add the event so that it shows in the attendance report, but it actually shows that it was added by an operator and it's not like a real card event on a door, okay? So if you extend the description of this, you see which operator did it. It's admin, okay? The user is Fred Bergeron, the door was main entrance, all right? And obviously on the far right, we have the timestamp, okay? So 8 o'clock flat, all right? So basically this will allow you to fix the events in the database, then you can run the attendance report again and we'll basically get the real results, okay? So again, fairly easy. Some people don't know that this is event available, so I wanted to show you this. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Again, this was how to add an entry or exit event for the attendance report in the ICT Protege platform. Obviously, Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products, so if you need support, you can go to inaxsys.com and reach to the support team, or reach out to the sales team if you need help in demonstrating the product to the clients, and if you need help with quotes and things like that. Okay, so again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make any comments. We always answer very quickly. If you have suggestions for future videos, we can definitely do it for you. Okay, so again, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching.